Today we will introduce our newly developed 1500W handheld fiber laser welder for you. It has beautiful outlooking top brand of laser generator and water cooling system makes it good performance. Single phase 1*230V power input and multiple languages for selection: English, Russian, German, Spanish, Japanese, and Korean, etc. Makes it better adaptability. After setting the parameters, you can proceed with continuous welding, pulse welding and spot welding. Filler welding or no filler welding are both workable. When there is no grounding connection, the laser will not happen. This ensures safety in use. Our series of handheld fiber laser welding machine include 1000W, 1500W, 2000W and 3000W. For more, contact us.